How to add music to a photo in CapCut and save it as a video. Hello everybody, if you are wondering how, you may follow up this step. So open up CapCut and tap on new project. And then once you tap on new project, you may select up the photo that you want to add. And then once the photo is added, you should be finding this. So what you can do is, in order to add music, in the bottom you should be finding audio option. Tap on it. And then you may select sound. After that, you may import a video that you would like in the photo that you want to change into a video. So you may tap on the download button and tap on the plus after that, or you may also export audio depending upon you. Once the music is added, you may select up the music up to how much second you want, for example 18, and I'm deleting the rest. Once you do that, after the photo is added, what you can do is tap on it, and after tapping on it, you may stretch it out to the section of the audio that you want, for example 18 seconds for the photo as well. And then once that is done, you can go ahead and play, and you will be finding the photo turned into a video along with the sound. So all you gotta do is hit the export option at the top, and then once that is done, it will be saved in the form of video in your screen, in your device. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.